Being the handy dandy dudes we are first going to construct our angle math computer in Sketchpad. This is what the finished product will look like. I used a black point for every fifth part, and I set the normal fixed points on the computer face. Make sure you isolate, make each finished step hideable. To keep the program from getting confused as to how to read the angle, I am only going to use angle divide for the last 8. I will then fill back to the start using parallel lines. As the figure shows, we are going to make the point range 210 degrees, and since Sketchpad cannot read that out of the box, I will divide that angle into 4 parts, measuring the last, and using that multiplied by 4, to fix the shortcoming in the program. After the fixed ratios are made, we are going to make our freestanding slider, so that we can show how to move a given ratio anywhere by freehand. Now, we can add and subtract, but the computer will show us how to multiply and divide, so I will go through that first. We start with 30. The 30th point we make it the numerator by constructing it to be the center of the circle. We divide it by 1, by taking the first point after it and connecting it to the 210 point, or last point on the circle. With the first point we are dividing 30 by 1, which gives us 30.2. After 30 we'll divide it in half, for 15. The third point will divide it into 10, the fifth point into 6, and the sixth point into 5. All you have to remember is the numerator is in the center, the denominator is on the circumference. This goes back to Euclid. You will notice, we arrive at 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 degrees, meaning we can divide an entire circle not only into every degree on a circle, but many different parts of a degree as well. One can see that for getting just 1 degree, we have a basket full of ways to do it. Fact is, you can now divide the circle into say, 400 degrees or whatever else you please, and go crazy exploring the math. A simple way of exploring ratios. By a handful at one time. There you have it. One can divide the circle by up to 32 in the denominator, and whatever fraction you wish to divide it into. These are only fundamentals, and you should be able to discover much on your own.
False words are not only evil in themselves, but they infect the mind with evil. Phaedo by Plato,